Hi everyone, I'm John from Megaground. Today I'm going to guide you through the RERO 3D Modeling Lesson 1 to teach you how to use a Fusion 360 to design an interconnector. So I will assume you already have the Fusion 360 on your PC. So I will skip the Fusion 360 installation part. If you want to know more about this, you can click the link below. It will direct you to the RERO curriculum page. You can download the PDF format of this lesson. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to Fusion 360 software. So first of all, I would like to introduce the user interface of Fusion 360. Okay, at the top here, we have a function toolbar. After that, we have browser. The browser is used to save our design information. And then we have a navigation cube here. The navigation cube here is let us to change the view depends on our design situation. After that, we have a second navigation tool here. We have zoom, we have pan, we have orbit. Okay, and then at the last thing is the timeline. We have a timeline at the bottom here. Okay, so now let us get started to make our first interconnector. Okay, first of all, we would like to go into the sketch mode. Okay, so student follow me to click this create sketch. After that, we go to select the XZ panel in the browser here. You can see, you can click this origin folder out. After that, click this XZ panel. You click it. After that, now we are going to the sketch mode, which is, you can see we have a extra stop sketch button come out from the toolbar. After that, we also have the sketch palette come out from our right hand side. Okay, which means we already inside the sketch mode. Okay, now I want you to click the top face at the navigation cube. Okay, let's draw a rectangular sketch. Okay, we click this. After that, we start our design from the origin. This is a very good, very important best practice for every 3D designer. Okay, so we click it. After that, we drag. You can see that is a rectangular. After that, we have to key in two parameters. Okay, just follow me. We key in 19.4, then we press tab. You can see there's one parameter already locked to 19.4, so we need to key in the second one, 19.4. Then we press enter. So now we already create a rectangular like this. Okay, now we have to extrude this 2D sketch into a 3D body. Okay, so before that, I would like to show you in the browser. You can see in the browser we have one more folder called sketch. So we open the folder, you can see the sketch 1. The sketch 1, which is the first rectangular sketch with 19.4 mm times 19.4 mm. We will save this sketch into the browser. Okay, so now we want to make it as a 3D body. Student, follow me to come to this icon, extrude function. So you click it. After that, click this surface. Then we change the view to home view. Okay, you can see the view will be like this. So we need to key in one parameter. This parameter is the height of the 3D model. Okay, so in this case, we just need 1 mm. Okay, then you can see there's the property box come out from my right hand side. So we click OK here. Then we have a 3D model body here. And then you can see in our browser, we have an update of the body here. We have body 1. You can see that. Okay, very good. Okay, the next step, we are going to use the offset function to offset the edge of this 3D body surface. Okay, so we go to sketch and then click the offset. After we click the offset, we select the top surface of our body 1. So we click it. After that, you can see when I move my mouse pointer to the edge of the square, of the edge of the body one, it will highlight in blue color. So we click it. After that, you can see a red rectangular come out. So I want you to key in the parameter as -3.7. Okay, after that we click OK at the property box. So you can see we already draw a rectangular at the surface of body 1, top surface of the body 1. So now we would like to extrude the center sketch into another 3D features. So I want you to click this, the extrude function. After that, select the center surface. After that, key in 4 mm, then click OK at the property box. Okay, so have you did this? Very good. Okay, now we would like to make another features on top of this surface. So click the crash sketch. After that, we click at the top surface here. Then we change to top view. After that, select the 2-point rectangle. Then start from the origin. We drag. After that, we key in 19.4. 19.4. Okay, after that, we press enter. Okay, this is, now you can see we have two surfaces here, which is the outer and the inner. So now we want to extrude both surface. Click the extrude, and then we click the outer surface and then the inner surface, and then we change to home view. After that, we key in 1 mm, then we press enter. So have you done? Now we are going to add the fillet features on every corner here. Okay, so now we go to modify, click the fillet function. After that, we select the corner, every corner of the body. So you can use a navigation cube to turn the body around. Then we select it, and then we turn around, we select it, and select this. Okay, you can see at the property box we have already select edges to be our fillet. So now we key in 1.5 as our fillet parameter, then we click OK. So now you have a interconnector inside the Fusion 360 already. So congratulations, you already finished the lesson 1. Okay, after we finish the design, I would like to teach you how to save your design. So can you see this icon, the save icon here? So we click it. After that, you just give it a name. Okay? After that, we select the location that I want to save. So let's say actually I already have my RERO part here. So I just select here, and then I click the save button. Okay, it will take some time to save it. Okay, so how to access your previous design? You can see there's a show data panel here. You just click it. After that, you can go to, you can see the RERO part here. After that, you can come back here, and then you can see there's the design that we just did just now. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can leave your question at the comment section. Click the like button and help to share to your friend who need this. Remember to subscribe my channel and click the notification button for lesson 2 update. Thank you very much. We see you soon.